It was a fine Sunday autumn morning. Two creative individuals, N1 and N2, had just returned from the park. The same park where they first thought to make their own YouTube channel and had just discussed certain topics to make their videos on. The rest of the day was spent only thinking how to start about the YouTube journey as it was new to them.
The next day, when they just arrived from school, and after they were fresh and free, with a good, nice mood, they browsed the internet for a while, and then...
Do you want to know what happened next?
Keep watching to know more. Let's continue. Finally, they created the YouTube channel and named it N1 N2 Tutorial. The following day, they spent a couple of hours making the simplest and easiest video to upload on their YouTube channel.
Hi friends, I am N1. Now let me tell you a few things about my first video. I chose the simplest and easiest topic which could be interesting and enjoyable to children. I took the topic counting numbers, the first ever thing taught to you in school by your teachers. It took a while shooting my video as it was the very first video that was going to be uploaded on N1 N2 tutorial. It was not an easy task as I forgot what I had to do. Sometimes I got confused, but finally, after practice, I did it.
That was N1. What about me? Yes, I do have a few things to tell you. Hi friends, I'm N2 and today I'm going to introduce you to my first video. I wasn't so confident about making it, though I was a little confused and nervous, but gave it a try. So, you all know my first video, which was drawing a tree with the letter Y. I spent several hours making it, as it took me at least 2 or 3 times to do so because it was just the first one. Sometimes I used to forget to introduce myself, or sometimes I did not draw the Y. It was like a challenge for me, but I still tried. After a few hours, I finally succeeded my goal and completed my challenge. This video gave me confidence for my upcoming videos and made me more enthusiastic by its response. After some time,
we uploaded 2 videos on the evening of 2nd September 2019.
That was our journey of making our first YouTube videos. That was all we wanted to tell you about.
Happy birthday, N1 N2 Tutorial!